welcome back to my channel. This is me, Tanusree. Today I will share you my eyebrow routine. I prefer to do my eyebrow at home. If you are interested in this topic, then please watch till the end. Also, I make a separate video of how I shave my face. If you like, you can check this out on I button, and let's get into the video. Okay, this is the condition of my eyebrow right now. It's been 2 months now. I didn't groom my eyebrow for this video. Okay, I tie up my hair. Before I shave my eyebrow, always draw my eyebrow for the guideline that how much hair I shaved. After I am happy with my drawn eyebrow, I'm applying aloe vera gel as a lubricant that makes razor glides easily on your face. Here I am using Sirona face razor. You can definitely use any eyebrow razor, but I am okay with it. Always hold your razor at 45-degree angle and give a little stroke at a time. Be careful around this unibrow area. I suggest if you are beginner, then please use a tweezer. That would be more easier than this. When I was beginner, I used tweezers a lot, but now I'm using razor and this will more comfortable than tweezer for me. After shaving, I clean my eyebrow with micellar water and apply aloe vera gel immediately because it will soothing your skin, prevent for breakout or any other bumps. This is how I do my eyebrow at home. I hope you liked it. If you like this video, please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay then, see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.